unveiling the enigmatic realm of IT-15, a system shrouded in mystery, where raw data benchmarks converge with clandestine features. At first glance, the sleek design and premium materials belie the computational prowess that lies beneath. Performance metrics reveal a powerhouse, capable of delivering 3.5 GHz clock speeds, with turbo boost reaching unprecedented heights of 4.8 GHz. The CPU's thermal architecture is precision-crafted to maintain optimal temperatures, even under the most intense workloads. Memory and storage configurations are equally impressive, offering up to 64 GB of DDR4 RAM and 2 TB of NVMe SSD storage. This synergy enables seamless multitasking, while data transfer speeds reach an astonishing 3,500 MB/s. But what lies hidden beneath the surface? Advanced power management features ensure energy efficiency, even in the most demanding scenarios. The system's BIOS is replete with cryptic settings, waiting to be deciphered by those willing to unlock its secrets. Benchmarks whisper tales of untapped performance potential, where raw processing power converges with intelligent system optimization. And yet, the overall user experience remains refreshingly unobtrusive, inviting users to delve deeper into the system's mysteries. In this realm of high-performance computing, IT-15 stands as a sentinel, guarding the gates to hidden knowledge and unseen capabilities. Only those willing to brave the unknown will unlock its true potential.